Hello everyone, this is Zaman. Welcome to the first video in our design pattern series. In this video, we are going to cover everything you need to know about design pattern from beginner to expert level. We will talk about what design pattern are, why they are important, how to use them, the type of patterns and how they help make software development easier and more efficient. So let's start our video. What are design patterns? Design patterns are proven solutions to common problems in software design. They are not actual code, but rather it's idea and best practices that you can follow to solve problem in clean and organized way. Assume them as a template or a blueprint that you can apply to your own projects. Let's say you often face the same kind of challenges in your projects, like how to create objects, how to manage communication between classes, and how to organize code. Instead of solving these problems from scratch every time, you can use a design pattern, a well-tested and widely accepted approach that works. Now, why do we use design pattern? There are several important reasons. First reason, design pattern help us to write a clean, reusable and maintainable code. They provide a clear structure that makes your code easier to understand. Second, design pattern improve communication among developers. If everyone on the team knows what a singleton or a factory, it becomes easier to discuss and share ideas. The third reason, they make your code more flexible, testable and scalable, especially in larger applications. In short, design pattern help you build better software faster. Design patterns are divided into three main categories. Number one, creational patterns. They deals with object creation. They help control how and when objects are created. The example of these creational patterns are singleton, factory, abstract factory, builder and prototype. The second type is structural patterns, which deal with how classes and objects are organized. They help simplify relationship between components. The examples are adapter, decorator, facade, composite and proxy. Number third, behavioral pattern. These focus on how objects interact and communicate. They help manage responsibilities and flow in your application. Examples includes observer, strategy, command, state and mediator. So how do we use design pattern in our real life? There are many steps which are mentioned. In step 1, we will understand the problem we are trying to solve. In second step, we will look for a design pattern that matches the problem. In step 3, we will learn how the pattern works, its structure and its purpose. In fourth step, we will apply in our code using simple and clear implementation. We do not need to memorize every pattern. It's more important to understand the idea behind them and recognize where they fit. Over the time, as you practice, using patterns will become second nature. If you are a beginner, start with small, learn the basic patterns like singleton, factory method and observers. These are easy to understand and very commonly used in real world projects. As you gain experience, you will start to see how pattern works together. Experts don't just follow the patterns, they adopt and combine them on the project's needs. Design patterns are not strict rules, they are flexible tools that help you write smarter code. Let's wrap up our our video. Design patterns are an essential part of modern software development. They help you solve common problems, write better code and work more efficiently with your team. In next video, we will take a closer look at our first design pattern, the Singleton pattern. We will explain what it is, how it works, and when to use it with a simple code example. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the rest of the series. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.